Hello and welcome. This is Larry Tentarelli. I'm the editor and publisher of the Blue Chip Daily Trend Report, and I'm here with a brief update video. I'm going to go through an open positions update for our website and the website tracking account, and I often get asked for samples of the trade performance to see the content, things like that. So I just wanted to do this brief update video. We'll walk through I'm going to go through the open positions in the account specifically and in general. And I'm going to first start with the disclaimer. So the disclaimer is key. And what it says is that everything in the video is for informational purposes only. It's not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. It's not to be considered investment advice. And obviously that past performance is no guarantee of any future results whatsoever. So we'll get started. We're going to take a look at a few screenshots. We'll take a look at some actual statistics, but a few things that I want to touch base on quickly. So the first thing, all of the position data and statistics that are in this post are taken exactly from our real-time tracking spreadsheet that's on the website. And this is as of the close of business last night. So on the members tab, right here, this links to a spreadsheet, the open positions and best ideas tracking list spreadsheet. And what we do is we track all of my open positions, my account activity for the website account, and also when I post a daily chart of the day or best ideas list name, we track everything. So Blue Chip Daily subscribers have full 24/7 access to this information and the tracking sheet. All of the account activity is updated, posted, and reported in real time. So I post it on the Twitter feed. Also, we send an email out to all subscribers anytime there's any change in the account, whether it's taking a new position, exiting a position, scaling profits, stop losses. Any account activity is emailed in real time. It's also reported on the Twitter feed. And the key thing, the reporting account, so I've got a real money brokerage account with actual positions as posted. It's not a paper trading account. It's not a simulated account. It's a real money cash account with these positions. So with that being said, we'll go through the summary. So as of right now, the account's got 19 open positions. The oldest position is from March 26th of this year. I was in cash for a brief period of time when the market started to unwind, end of February, beginning of March. I wasn't in all cash all the time, so I was in some of that drawdown. We did have some stops get hit. For the most part, we avoided most of it, but I was not in 100% cash 100% of the time, but I started to get more heavily into cash, and there's a separate blog on the blog page. So the oldest positions from March 26th, as of right now, 17 are currently profitable, 2 are currently unprofitable. So the average of the 19 positions, if we add up all 19 positions, the average is plus 29.87%. The best position, which you'll take a look at in a minute, is plus 81.1%, and the worst position is down 3.3%. So we've got good expectancy here and good math. I've had 5 closed winners. These were smaller, or I should say shorter time frame positions, up 9.8% each. I've had 3 stops get hit along the way, -12, -15, and -15%. Each stop was within the predefined risk limit. So I run an intermediate to longer term trend following program. So with higher volatility, my stops are going to be in the 10 to 15% range, but I cap my risk. So my open risk in any position, if I get stopped out, in general is anywhere from 0.5% of equity to 1% of my equity. So whether the stop loss is at 10%, 12%, 15%, if I get stopped out, it's within a predefined risk limit between 0.5 to 0.5% of my equity. And then we've had 3 closed break-even positions. So I have scaled some partial gains in some positions on the way up and moved up some stops. So we're going to take a look. So this graphic here is a limited version of the actual tracking sheet that's on the website. So what we've done, so this is an actual piece of the spreadsheet, but we've pulled some data off of there to retain the value for the subscribers. So we don't want to obviously give up all of the information when we have subscribers that that pay for that, obviously. So this is a limited version. The actual tracking sheet on the website tracks the entry date, the entry price, stop risk levels, any adjusted stops, the original position size and weighting, position volatility, open risk, scaled exits, and final exits. So the sheet that's on the website is a very, very detailed sheet that we keep updated throughout the day. And as I said, members have full access to it. So here is the summary of the 19 positions. We're going to take a look at these in a second, but this is straight off the website. So this is where the positions stand as of now in the open position. So we've got 17 that are green. We've got 2 that are down as of now. And then we'll go through, I'll walk you through the top 5. So the number 1 open position right now is Square. It's plus 81% from the entry. I took the position May 7. We updated it on the Twitter feed in real time, $71.67. So if we take a look at this chart, May 7, here is the entry signal. It's been a very, very nice position all the way up. So I have booked partial gains along the way, still holding the vast majority of the position, and we've raised some stops. So that's the number 1 open position currently as reported in real time, Square plus 81%. Number 2 is Lavongo. This is plus 70%. So this is a newer position from July 1. So I took this position a month ago. 74.47 was the entry price. If we take a look, that is this bar here on the chart, and we can see this has been a nice move so far. So Lavongo is plus 70% since entry July 1st. Position number 3 as far as performance, Amazon. I opened Amazon April 6, $1,975.98. It closed yesterday. If we take a look on the sheet, looks like $3,164. So here's the entry from Amazon. The Amazon entry was a nice one. It's pretty much been straight up since then. Sometimes the entry, especially in these more volatile stocks, sometimes there can be some drawdown if the market's volatile or the stock is volatile. But the Amazon one's been pretty much straight up since the entry. So that is position number 3. Performance-wise, that is up 60%. Number 4 is Nvidia. I took that position April 14, $280.41. If we take a look at Nvidia, so this one had a little bit of drawdown along the way, nothing major, held the 50-day, but here's the entry bar, and then this has also been a very, very strong move. So Nvidia is number 4, up 51% since the entry that was in April. And then number 5 is ServiceNow. That position was taken April 20, 301.81. If we take a look on the chart, here was the entry, had a little bit of drawdown over the next day or two. This has been a nice move. So ServiceNow is up 45%. So that is a summary, just to go back up. So that's a summary of the open positions that we've got right now. And then obviously we walk through where we stand as far as closed out trades, closed out winners, closed out losers. But this is all available. And basically what this does is this is a little bit of insight into the types of stocks that I put in the account, the types of stocks that I cover, and what the longer term process is for managing these winners. So I wanted to share that with everyone. A couple of things, if you go on the website just in a little more detail, Blue Chip Daily Trend Report is the website. BlueChipDaily.com is the web address. If you go on to the 2020 Best Trade Alerts, what you'll be able to see is other screenshots and charts, not only from open positions, but also every day I post a daily best technical idea for subscribers on the Twitter feed with entry price or suggested price, stop level, and then the technical reasoning. So most recent one, so Pinterest was our chart of the day, July 17th, so 2 weeks ago, and that's up 39% since then. So we track every single best idea on the website, the winners, the losers, those that are making money, those that are under the entry, but everything gets tracked. And then obviously, if you go onto the Join Now page, we've got a lot more information. We've got best trades, recent best trade alerts. I've got some educational videos and position videos. Also, we've got a position blog. But if you're looking for more information, daily updates. So part of the daily updates, there is we've got a premium Twitter feed, which I am on all day, every day, posting real-time ideas and commentary, email notification of any position activity. We've got the 24/7 tracking site. And then every single market day, I do a markets video. It's about 20 minutes. And I go through open positions and daily best technical ideas for the next day. Also, I do a lot on risk management and ETFs. Also, we have a weekly trend report, weekly video where I outline the top sectors and top technical stocks that are on the radar screen. So we are actively accepting new subscribers. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you online shortly. Thank you.